Hey, this is a tutorial for surface crochet slip stitches when pulling the yarn from the back of your work. You can see here I did 6 slip stitches when pulling the yarn from the back of my work, and on this one I pulled the yarn from the front of the work, and it left like a shadow line there. So when you pull from the back of your work, it just has a cleaner overall appearance. So that's why we're working with our yarn at the back of the project. So for this one, I'm going to insert the hook through the front of the work, grab my yarn. I'm not making a slip knot or anything, I'm just pulling the yarn straight through. So with the hook at the front, insert into the next stitch, pull up your yarn and work a slip stitch. Insert front to back, pull up a loop, slip stitch, front to back, pull up a loop, slip stitch, and I'm going to do a total of 6, so I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So you can see compared to this one, it just looks a lot cleaner. It's personal preference, but I like it to look better, or I like the way this looks better than pulling from the front on this project. So to show you one more time, we're just going to follow the curvature of the work, put your hook in from front to back, hold your yarn at the back of your work and pull through. Whoops. Try that again. Okay, got the loop. Insert your hook into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now whenever I fasten off, I'm just going to pull my yarn through, and obviously I would use a tapestry needle for this part, but yeah, just pull it through the back, weave in your ends on the back side of it, and that, when compared to this one, leaves just a really clean line there with no shadows. So hopefully this helped. That is surface slip stitches when pulling your yarn from the back of the project.